Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. What you are seeing in front of you is me without any drawn on brows. These are my natural brows. They're very, very, very thin and sparse, and I've just given it a good old clean around the area, ready for this review. Hopefully I look a little bit better as the video goes along, but I have got some tattoo brows by the brand Silky Brow. I absolutely love this brow, absolutely love it. It's quite natural looking and it's quite fluffy and it's a little bit thinner there and a little bit of an arch. That's my perfect brow. I would love to have brows like that. And then they get bigger as you go down the bottom. Now those are huge. You're huge. So I'm going to be trying these in this video. I saw Silky Brow advertised on Instagram. Yes, you know the type of advertisements you see on Instagram. They're all like this weird and wacky beauty things. Well, I was hooked. So I was thinking, this sounds perfect. They're just like those sticker tattoos where you wet them, stick them on your skin, peel it off, and you're good to go, but in brow form. So because I've got really, really thin, very sparse eyebrows, I thought, yeah, I'd be a good candidate. Hopefully there will be a blend going on so you won't see too much of a difference. There's lots of different styles on their website and they were all the same price. Now they're marketed at $20 per sheet, which in all honesty is a lot of money for one-use brows. It is a lot of money, unless they're absolutely amazing, and I'd quite happily pay $20. But anyway, there's a deal on, and I suspect this is like a permanent deal really, just to hook you in. But I got it for $9.99, and then there was shipping of about $5. So in UK money it came to just over £12, which is still a little bit pricey for a set of stickers for your face, but we'll see, we'll see. I'll pop links to the website down below, so if you're curious in taking a look for yourself, you're welcome to do so. So yeah, so let's get on to trying these out. So on the website it tells you how to apply. You have to clean the skin thoroughly, do a test application in your hand to see if the tattoo is comfortable on your skin. Apply a wet cloth gently over the backside of the tattoo and hold in place for 15 to 30 seconds. Slowly remove the backing paper and allow the tattoo to dry. How to remove: rub the tattoo with baby oil or alcohol and peel off. And that's all the information it says about it. It's a bit of a shame though that they're not all the same size, because I was led to believe that they were. There's no way I'm going to use those bottom ones. Look how massive they are. There's no way. So you're paying over £12 for maybe 3 of them. So those are my brows. What I really like is the fact that we've got the stencil on the back as well. They've drawn it in so you know exactly where it's being placed. I think that's okay. So I've pressed it right onto my brow. Got some cotton pads and some water. Just gonna wet it. And then I've just placed that on top of the tattoo for 20 to 30 seconds. The colour is darker than my natural brows and it almost looks as if it's a bit purple. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I don't know, and there's a little bit of sticky gunk there. Maybe if I wet that down a bit. Right then, I think that's roughly matched up okay. So let's see how well this one does. It just slid off again. Ooh. Can you see the manky corners there? And you can see my natural brow trying to fit in somehow. That one looks better. But yeah, what is with this? What is with that? I don't like it. This one is completely dried. It feels just like a sticker tattoo, you know, the ones that kids put on their skins. It does just feel like that. It feels a little bit weird, but it's fine. It's something I could get used to, definitely. Feels like I've got a ton of super hold brow gel on my brows. The colour is a little bit purple, which I don't understand. It's really weird, isn't it? It's really weird. I honestly think if you had no eyebrows, you would get a much better outcome than what I have. I'm curious now to see what it looks like if I was to fill it in a little bit and yeah, try and blend in my natural brows with the rest. I think I've gone up higher here than here. It's like this. So from afar it does look a little bit weird. It's just a bit darker than what I normally go for. I'm going to fill one in so that I'll show you what one looks like filled in a little bit. So I've tidied up the makeup around my eyes and I started filling in this eyebrow. Now the only eyebrow product that it can accept is a pen. So I used a Urban Decay brow blade, but I also use a black eyeliner pen as well, because some of the areas you could see, you know, the tattoo coming away and it just looks like glue on your brows. So I just covered that a little bit just to disguise it a little bit more. On the stencil they look quite fluffy and just with a really nice natural looking arch. But once applied, it's just a little bit too harsh, but it could be because, especially this one as I filled in, it could be because I did it too high. You know, this one looks a little bit lower and I think I prefer it. So I am going to fill that in. It just looks a mess. You can see my natural eyebrow sticking up the top there. But this, the colouring of the tattoo looks purple. Very, very, very bizarre. Oh, there's no way I would go out like that. There is no way, like this then. There is no way, because it just looks like I've just got yuck on my eyebrows. Right, I am going to do this one and then I'll be back. My caterpillars in all their glory. Just way too dark for me. Way too dark. Oh, I am gutted. I am absolutely gutted. I have got a few left, obviously, so I am going to keep on practicing. They feel okay on my eyebrows. Not a problem whatsoever. They just look manky. They just look a mess. Up close, and in all honesty I think it's a little easier to apply my normal brows as I normally would with my brow products than doing these tattoos. But if I had no brows, then I would love to do this. I would absolutely love to do this, and I do think that because I have got hair here, that maybe the hair is the reason why it's not settling that well. I'm not too sure. I don't know. I'll have to have a look online for any tips maybe. As with all my reviews, I don't look online to see other reviews because I want it to be completely my own experience and to have no bias whether I'm aware of it or not. Yeah, it just might be that I'm absolutely useless at doing this. They look like brows. They do look like brows. I think maybe next time when I use these, I'm going to apply them to my face before I put makeup on, so then I've got a bigger area where I can saturate it on my face. I can have a big pad and hold that over there without worrying about it dripping on my eye makeup or anything like that. Maybe that is the key. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you tried tattoo brows before? Have you tried these ones, the Silky Brows? I'd love to know your thoughts. And also, if you haven't tried them, what do you think after seeing me try them? I got a good idea of what you're going to say. But yeah, it's a first impressions review. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.